Hey there YouTubers, and welcome to DigieTalks. If like me you watch review videos, I'm sure you find them super useful. I make review videos myself, so I know firsthand from the comments and questions I get how useful they can be for people. But if like me you also want to know what it's like to live with those things for a period of time, then my next set of videos is just for you. I'll be running a series of videos called Living With, where I'll be talking about everything from something as epic as an electric vehicle like my Tesla Model S, right the way through to something just as awesome as Freddie the Bulldog. I hope you find these videos really useful. Don't forget to subscribe so you get the videos as they come. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.